Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that might completely change the way you drive. Low RPM driving, and how it's silently destroying your engine. You heard that right, driving at low RPMs might seem like a fuel-saving, gentle way to operate your vehicle, but it's actually one of the stealthiest ways to damage your engine over time. Over the next 6 minutes, I'm going to break down why low RPM driving can be so harmful, the science behind it, and most importantly, what you can do to protect your engine from this silent killer. So, if you're serious about prolonging your car's life and boosting its performance, stick around. And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you never miss a tip that could save you thousands on repairs. Let's get into it. Segment 1. Understanding RPM and engine performance. Before we get into the damage caused by low RPM driving, it's essential to understand what RPM is and how it relates to your engine's performance. RPM stands for revolutions per minute. It's a measure of how fast your engine's crankshaft is spinning. Think of it as the heartbeat of your engine. When you press the accelerator, you're essentially telling your engine to work harder, which increases the RPM. Now, most of us have seen the tachometer on our dashboards and noticed those needle readings, but many drivers don't fully grasp how those numbers impact engine health. An engine operating within its ideal RPM range is like a well-tuned orchestra. Every component works in harmony, ensuring optimal fuel combustion and efficient lubrication. But what happens when you consistently drive at very low RPMs? That's what we're about to uncover. Segment 2. The hidden dangers of low RPM driving. Low RPM driving might sound like a gentle, efficient way to cruise around, but it comes with hidden dangers that can wreak havoc on your engine. When your engine runs at low RPMs, it often struggles to reach its optimal operating temperature. This means that the engine oil remains thick and less effective at lubricating crucial components like the pistons, cylinders, and bearings. Over time, this inadequate lubrication can lead to increased friction, causing premature wear and even engine damage. Additionally, low RPMs don't generate enough heat to burn off carbon deposits that naturally accumulate in your combustion chamber. These carbon deposits can eventually clog fuel injectors and interfere with the precise balance of air and fuel needed for efficient combustion. Essentially, while you might be driving conservatively, you're also setting the stage for long-term damage that can compromise your engine's performance and reliability. Segment 3. How low RPM driving affects fuel efficiency and emissions. You might be wondering, isn't low RPM driving supposed to save fuel and reduce emissions? Well, the truth is a bit more complicated. At very low RPMs, the engine operates below its ideal efficiency zone, which can actually lead to incomplete combustion. This inefficiency means that not all the fuel is burned properly, leading to a buildup of unburned fuel and carbon residues in the engine. Over time, this can increase your fuel consumption rather than decrease it. Moreover, the incomplete combustion process can lead to higher emissions of pollutants, which not only harm the environment but can also contribute to engine knock, a condition that further stresses engine components. So, while it might seem like driving slowly is better for your wallet and the planet, maintaining a moderate, optimal RPM is actually key to achieving true fuel efficiency and cleaner emissions. Segment 4. Expert tips to avoid the pitfalls of low RPM driving. Now that we know why low RPM driving is problematic, let's talk about what you can do to avoid these pitfalls and protect your engine. The first tip is to learn your car's optimal RPM range. Your vehicle's owner's manual often provides guidance on the best RPM range for efficiency and performance. Make sure you familiarize yourself with those numbers. Next, when driving in city traffic or during stop-and-go situations, try to shift up and down more deliberately, allowing your engine to operate in a more efficient RPM range. Another effective strategy is to use moderate acceleration rather than dragging the throttle too lightly, which can keep the engine from bogging down at low speeds. Also, if you have the option, consider taking your car on the highway every once in a while to let it reach a stable operating temperature and burn off any unwanted deposits. Lastly, regular maintenance and diagnostic checks can help catch any issues related to low RPM driving before they turn into major problems. Segment 5. Real-world examples and consumer insights. Let's now look at some real-world examples and consumer insights regarding low RPM driving. Many seasoned drivers have shared their experiences about how their vehicles started showing signs of wear due to prolonged low-speed driving, issues like rough idling, misfires, and even unexpected engine stalls. Auto experts often point out that even small adjustments in driving style can lead to significant improvements in engine longevity and performance. One common story involves drivers in urban areas who, because of heavy traffic and the desire to conserve fuel, consistently drive at abnormally low RPMs. Over time, these habits lead to a buildup of carbon and decreased engine responsiveness, eventually necessitating costly repairs. The key takeaway here is that every driver, regardless of experience, can benefit from being mindful of their RPMs. Adjusting your driving style isn't just about performance. It's about preserving your engine for the long haul and ensuring your car remains reliable. And there you have it, the shocking truth about how low RPM driving is silently destroying your engine. Remember, maintaining the right RPM is crucial for optimal performance, fuel efficiency, and longevity of your engine. I hope this video has given you valuable insights into why a little change in your driving habits can save you thousands in repairs down the road. If you found these tips helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more expert car care advice. Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Have you noticed any issues related to low RPM driving? Thanks for watching, drive safe, and keep those engines running strong. See you in the next video.